Subtracting fun. Fractions with like denominators. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on basic mathematical operations in English. Today, we're moving a step forward and discussing a very important topic: subtracting fractions with like denominators. We know fractions can seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Before we dive into subtraction, let's quickly revise what like denominators are. Denominators are the numbers at the bottom in a fraction. Like denominators mean that the denominators in two or more fractions are the same. For example, in the fractions 1/4 and 3/4, 4 is the denominator, and since they are the same, these fractions have like denominators. Subtracting fractions with like denominators is actually quite simple. Here's the rule: keep the denominator the same, subtract the numerators. Numerators are the numbers at the top of a fraction. For example, let's take 3/4 and 1/4. The denominators, which are 4, are the same. So, we keep the denominator as 4. Next, we subtract the numerators, which are 3 and 1. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2. The answer to our subtraction problem, therefore, is 2/4. Sometimes, the answer we get can be simplified. In our previous example, we found that 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. However, 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2. Both 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. So, when we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 1 and 2, respectively, making our fraction 1/2. Remember, always try to simplify your fraction at the end, if possible. It makes your answer cleaner and easier to understand. And there you have it, subtracting fractions with like denominators made easy. I hope this video has been helpful in your journey to learning English and understanding basic mathematical operations. Remember, fractions are not as scary as they seem. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Until next time, happy learning!